views that have been expressed here. I need to just add that this RTI Act was a milestone in the trajectory of the nation to be a modern democracy, to bring in transparency in administration, to empower the citizens and the activists. At a stroke, they have done away with the RTA. And further, as Priyanka said, far-reaching implications on the freedom of media. As you all know, what they have actually drafted for the media. Already there are a lot of coercive steps that are being taken. And I would exhort my friends in the media to have a look at the JPC report of 2019. Many of the provisions that have been brought in are contrary to the recommendations of the JPC. Even the Digital Data Protection Board, there has been a recommendation how the board members need to be appointed. Bodies like, including Attorney General, has to be opting to make sure that there is a due diligence in the selection of the Digital Data Protection Board members. Now, nothing of that have been incorporated. And I would say that when the opposition was protesting on this Manipur issue, they had rushed in legislations, and this is one amongst them. I, being a member of the IT Standing Committee at that time, had moved amendments because precisely on these, in order to nullify the provisions that were brought to neutralize the RTA. And the government knew that, see, their intention was to ensure that RTA is given a goodbye. Now, as you all know, many of the enactments, laws passed during the UPA regime, like employment guarantee, like information guarantee, all these are being watered down by the present government. Now, all the opposition parties, which are part of the India Alliance, have come together to protest. And this is not solely an issue of the opposition parties. This affects the democratic process of this country. These are far-reaching implications on the freedom of media. These are far-reaching implications on the democratic process of this country, the transparency to the administration, and I would request you all to have a considerate look and also to make sure that these issues are being highlighted. Thank you very much.
Abdullah ji.